NYC subway. It came a long way. 116 years. Crazy, right? Since 1904. What's today? October 27th, 2020. Since October 27th, 1904. Been running trains. Came a long way. 116 years since 1904. MTA has done a great job. Great job. But yeah. I heard they're put in like elevators and like train stations. I heard they just put an elevator in like Bedford Park Boulevard train station. The last stop on the beat, or the rush hour terminal of the B train. Yeah. They just put one there. So I guess nice, not everybody. They're putting elevators in stations right now. They also put one in like Bedford Avenue and First Avenue on the L, I think. Maybe wrong, but I'm probably right. Yeah, they've been a long way. 116 years. NYC's subway. Been great. Alright. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to say happy birthday. So, yeah. Like and subscribe. Do all the good stuff. And, catch you in the next video. Alright. Bye, guys.